Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the fastest way to make money in 2019. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the fastest way to make money online in 2019. So the very first thing is you want to go to clickbank.com, and if you don't have access to ClickBank in your country, don't worry, you could just take this advice and go somewhere else. So what you want to do is you want to get something that's very cheap. The best way to do this is to get a free plus shipping product. I'm not telling you that you should create a Shopify store, because there's a ton of hassle that goes into that, and it's very time consuming and the margins are very slow or are very low. But if you get a free plus shipping product on ClickBank or any other way, like any other platform, that's a good way to do this, because free plus shipping is something that's not going to earn you a ton of money right away for every sale, but it could potentially earn you quite a bit of money, doing this over and over and over again. And the conversions are going to be very high, because people are always interested in something that's free, even if they do have to pay shipping. So it's not a big deal for a lot of people to buy something for free, basically. So find something that's that way on ClickBank. There are a ton of ways to do this, and how you're going to sell these products is you're going to do this through Instagram. So if you're doing this through Instagram, you want to grow a page, and there's a ton of ways that you can grow pages, and I'm going to go into some of the ways that you can do this. So once you found that free plus shipping product, you want to make sure that you know exactly the niche that it would sell in. So if it's a bracelet, make sure that it's a bracelet that fits into some kind of niche, because people really you want to target people. You don't want to have something that's for everyone, because if it's for everyone, chances are nobody will be interested in something for everyone. But if it's something that's really focused on something, if it's maybe in the travel niche and you have something that's very targeted to that, something that represents waves or something like that, then that's a good way. Or maybe it's a wildlife one or something like that. Find a real niche that your product fits. So then you're going to go to Instagram and you're going to type in whatever niche it is, and you're going to find these really big pages, something like 200,000 followers or 100,000 or things like that. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down these pages, maybe follow them or something like that. But the most important thing is you want to find the ones that the videos that are working the best, the ones that have more views than any other, the one that has more likes, the one that has more comments than all the other videos. And that's very important, that it's the videos, not the pictures. The reason this is because it's going to go to the suggested page, the videos they're always videos that are going to go into the suggested page, or whatever it's called. It might not be called that, but that's what I call it in this video. So you want to do that, and you want to download the ones that are like that, the ones that have more views, more likes and more comments. You want to download them and repost them. You want to give them credit, but post them on your account. And you're going to have to post like 5 to 6 times a day, because it will take a bit of time for you to get momentum and start doing that. You're also going to use the hashtags that they have used. Find the hashtags in that niche that do really well, because you know some of the pages like will not even use hashtags because they're already big anyways. But you know, if you're starting off, you want to use some hashtags. So find, you know, the hashtags in your niche. There will be some pictures with those hashtags, and just, you know, copy and paste them in. Don't always use the same ones because Instagram doesn't really like that. But you know, if you use the hashtags, like different hashtags, and you know, swap them in and out, you know, some of them you use all the time, some of them you don't, then you know you're going to grow that way. The next thing that you want to do is join engagement groups, and that's going to be taking you a little bit of time because you want to DM a lot of pages. You know, DM all the pages that you find, and you know, ask them if they have engagement groups, which a lot of people do, because if they're really big on Instagram, unless they're really known, then there is a good chance that they are in an engagement group. So what this is basically you comment their photo and they do the same on yours, and that just helps you push your videos like all the way to the top, and you know, grow your Instagram that way. So then you're going to see some growth doing that. You know, so people are going to like your comments, everything, and you want to like get in a ton of engagement groups. Don't just join one of them, join quite a lot of them. And then once you join all these engagement groups, you want to put the link in the description, like in your bio, like that's how Instagram is called. You want to put the link in the bio, and then that's how you're going to like really start selling your free plus shipping. Make sure that you tell people it's a free plus shipping, and then you know you'll be able to get really like sales running. And it might not go like, you might not get some sales in the first 2-3 weeks, but if you keep on doing that over and over, then you will grow, and that's how you like start getting sales. Now keep in mind that if you go to ClickBank and you get a free plus shipping offer, there is a good chance that you know they will have upsells. And that's the best thing that you can do, because if you get a free plus shipping, you know, offer, you're probably not going to get a lot of money right away. But if you keep on doing this, like if that company has like upsells, then they are going to try to sell to their customers a lot more, and then you get a higher commission. So if they get a free plus shipping offer, you know, you get a commission from that, but then they sell a $50 product to them again, and then you get probably like, I don't know, maybe a $20 commission from that. So that's like probably the fastest way to make money online. It's not like really easy where, you know, you have to do nothing, and it might take a little bit of time, but once you do that, you are going to be able to make some sales and just keep generating that. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.